Hello children, today we will start with the SI units. In 1960, the General Conference of Weights and Measures met at Paris and accepted the international system of units worldwide. The SI units of 7 fundamental physical quantities are given. You can see length, meter, mass, kilogram, time, second, temperature, Kelvin, electric current, ampere, luminous intensity, candela, amount of substance, mole. Now there are certain rules which has to be kept in mind while using the SI units. The name of the unit is always written in small letter. You can see the initial is in small letter. Including the case when it is written in small letters, including the case when it is named after the scientist, like meter, watt and joule. Symbols for units are written in small letters, like small m for meter, small kg for kilogram, small s for second. Suppose the units are named after scientists, they are always written in capital letters, like capital N for Newton and capital W for watt. Symbols for derived units which are formed by multiplication are joined with space or centered dot, like NS. If you are writing, we write it with N dot S. In case of derived units formed by division, the symbols are joined with a bar or a negative exponent. For example, the unit meter per second we write as, you can see here, meter second to the power 1 or meter dot second to the power 1. Now, names of the units can be written in the plural form, like 5 meters, but symbols of the units are always written in singular form, like 5m and not 5ms. Symbols of units are not abbreviations. They do not end in full stops unless they are at the end of the sentence. Now come to table 2.2, multiples and submultiples of units of measurements. To create larger form of units, factors that are used are called multiples of unit. The factors which help in getting smaller forms of units are called submultiples of units. You can see here peta 10 to the power 15, tera 10 to the power 12, giga 10 to the power 9, mega 10 to the power 6, kilo 10 to the power 3, hecto 10 to the power 2, deca 10 to the power 1, which is 10. Submultiples: deci 10 to the power minus 1, centi 10 to the power minus 2, milli 10 to the power minus 3, micro 10 to the power minus 6, nano 10 to the power minus 9, pico 10 to the power minus 12, femto 10 to the power minus 15. Now for measuring length, see table 2.3. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, which is equal to 0.1 decimeter, which is also equal to 0.01 meter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter, equal to 0.1 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, equal to 0.001 kilometer. Children, table 2.3 is very important. You have to remember this conversion. Come to page 17. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. 1 astronomical unit equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11. You will write table 2.3, table 2.1 and table 2.1 in your notebook. Now in the next class we will be studying about the instruments which are used for measuring length. That's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a good day.